When Klarus asked me to check out this hat clip-on headlamp, I jumped at the opportunity. Now, I'm a huge Klarus flashlight fan in the first place. A pocket size, really easy to use, magnetic. But a headlamp, I'm a huge headlamp fan, mainly because I do a lot of work with a hat on. So if I'm able to clip a light on my hat and turn it on and use it, and it is pointing where I want it to point, when I want it to point it there, that's the kind of thing that I am looking for. Now you can adjust the angle that this goes at on your hat. It has different power modes. The other really cool thing about this is you can motion swipe this. Now that might not be the best idea when you're underneath a car or a vehicle, but there's a button on here. It's this guy right here. You click that, and then when you move your hand in front of it, it turns the light off. And then you can move your hand in front of it and it turns it back on. Ugh. Now this is super handy. Obviously, when you're going across things, you can inadvertently turn this on and off. So don't think that this is a use this feature for everything, but it does come in handy. I typically keep it off. That way, if I'm actually under a vehicle, looking up at whatever I'm looking at or trying to examine, the light is right there where I'm looking and I'm able to wrench in that area. Another home run from Klarus. I absolutely love everything that they've been putting out, and this flashlight is just so good. Anyway, go check it out. You're missing out if you don't have this.